So right in the middle of my RX build, I came into a bit of a surprise, and it's not a good one. So the other day I came back from work, I noticed something on my door, and it was a notice that we can't work on the car here anymore. It's not exactly ideal when you're halfway through a massive build and you have no engine in the car. So today I'm on a mission to figure out exactly what the I'm gonna do. And hence the moving truck. And the trailer. And the car. Oh God. This is just getting worse and worse, isn't it?
It's a sad day.
Let's get to work. Oh my, strong.
We are all packed and ready to go. Okay, let's give you a little bit of backstory.
We really had nowhere to go. I mean, both of our moms were out of the picture. Both of my no, I know. Shut up. Both of my moms were not an option because they live too far. So
it's just not ideal to drive that far.
Yeah, it just wouldn't make any sense. We'd spend more time driving than fixing the car. And you know, trying to get a garage with no capital, it just seems impossible. So yeah, we were honestly super worried. Like, what were we gonna do? I'm just a kid with the dream. I just want to build my car and have fun doing it and show you guys what not to do. But all of that just came to a sudden stop. And after all of that, so anyway, I had the idea. Why not hit up my dad and ask if he needs a garage? And guess what? It was just perfect timing.
Previously, it was occupied, so the fact that it opened up
at
this exact moment is like insane. Like, that is alignment.
I just don't know what to think about it, and it's just amazing. Here we go. So here we are. The grand reveal. Look at this dream workspace. We got some rat shit, some junk, and the structural integrity of this entire garage is questionable. But at least we have Jesus watching over us. Look at that ratita. And when you go inside, you can see the light from the outside. Right there, and then right here behind that. Right here.
We are on our way to Home Depot.
You flipped your hair and a whole bunch of dirt came out?
I literally feel like I got 10 diseases walking in the garage. We just got some lighting. This is what we need. Give me all of them.
Jesus. It's so beautiful. Milwaukee, please sponsor me. Day 2, let's get it.
Step 1. Stop. Stop. Woo! We did a lot today.
We did too much.
Here we go.
Week 4.
Doesn't look like we're gonna be running anytime soon. Chris and I have been sharing one car, so that is what you call love, baby. So in total, this garage is coming around to about like $1,500. We spent like $1,000 at Home Depot just buying tools, cleaning supplies, basically everything. We spent $200 on a toolbox from OfferUp, which is kind of janky.
Oh yeah, this shit
Doesn't even work. We got quoted $1,500 to fix this garage, and now my trust and hope is in Chris. Oh no.
One eternity later.
Didn't open.
We finally did it! I'm just badass, man. Ah!
We're just gonna kind of attempt to spray paint the walls because it's kind of disgusting.
So we already spray painted. It looks so good, all right? But to make it look even better, we're gonna throw up some banners Specifically, only the banners that I want sponsors from. Wink, wink. Hopefully they see this and sponsor me. We also got this banner. Not really one I want to be sponsored by, but it was a cheap one and it's upside down.
Oh.
The banners I really wanted to get were stupid expensive. Like, why is a banner $60? Hold on right there.
It honestly doesn't smell that bad anymore. Still feel like I'm getting 10 diseases. My allergies have gone up. But overall, going good.
Well, it's been a hell of a ride. I mean, we're finally here in the garage. It's set up. Let me show you. We got the engine puller right here. That's the old engine. There's an A, toolboxes, some banners. Yup, coming together. All the miscellaneous stuff right there. Still got a bit of cleaning up to do, but we did it. Here's the garage. It's done.
Oh my god. But for real, look at the garage.
It's finally complete. We're ready to start doing some mods. You know, life's gonna throw shit at you, but all you gotta do is keep pushing forward and keep working towards your goal.
And we came up with the slogan.
I forgot it. Oh yeah. What is it?
Free your mind and enjoy the ride!